Welcome back and join us as we visit the Renaissance Hotel in Nashville, Tennessee. We're going to start off with a quick tour of the lobby area and restaurant and little shops that are around the lobby area. As you walk past the main desk, you're going to come around the corner and the elevators are going to be to your right. But if you continue walking on as we are right now, you're going to run into the bar and lounge / restaurant area that's back here. And this gives you a little better look at that bar area and restaurant area. It's actually quite expansive as it goes on back along those glassed-in windows along the side. Then we have some just lounge area with TV screen. And next up is the Five Chords Mercantile, which is kind of a coffee shop / quick pantry item type thing, along with gift shop setup. So they have grab and go food, drinks, as you can see there along the side. Then they also have a made to order espresso drinks from the coffee shop, and they also have some snacks usually in that case right there. And then there are also some Nashville type gifts in here as well, besides some other snack foods and items. As you can see from the elevator, we can get a great view of downtown Nashville from the glassed-in elevator. Next up, though, we are going to be going to our room tour of room 2226.
Okay, so we are in room 2226, the Renaissance Hotel in downtown Nashville. I ended up with 2 queens, which, okay, wasn't necessarily what I had reserved, but it'll do. So, nice, bright room. Just pretty standard. So let's go back towards the entrance and we'll start there. So obviously, door as we came in, we're on the 22nd floor. And as soon as you come in, there is the closet, which decent size. Got iron and ironing board, rack for your suitcase. Don't mind my luggage. And then the other side has, the door's a little stiff, but has a nice shelf there to put things, hangers, pretty good standard closet. And then if we go to the opposite side, you have the bathroom, which is pretty nice. Nice single sink, but lots of counter space, plenty of extra towels, tissue, hair dryer, nice mirror, a lot of fun Nashville focused music stuff on the wall there, the commode, and then nice tub shower with Aveda shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. So looks like it'll do the job. And then we'll go out and go run through some of the things in the room. So we have a very nice large screen TV directly across from the beds. We've got 3 drawers of storage here. Pretty nice. And then behind this door is coffee maker, all of the accoutrement that you need for that there. Oh gosh, that was loud, sorry about that. And then we have mini fridge here. One of the things that I thought was really neat is they have this little charging spot that already has chargers. So if you forgot yours, they've got you covered. And then a really nice workspace, which I like. The chair looks nice and comfy, so able to get my computer and things spread out there. And then along the side here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets. So if you can't find a spot to plug your devices in, I don't know what we can do to help you. And then we got a really nice full-length mirror here. Not everybody needs to see me after traveling all day, but that's okay. So full-length mirror, and then a nice little single-seat chair with a little table that you can pull up there. And then again, 2 queen-size beds. And then probably the reason they've got so many outlets across the way is because I'm not sure that there's any over here. So, oh wait. I'm not sure that you can see them, but there is an outlet right here on both sides. So, outlets got you covered. The important things, you have options there if you forgot your reading material. And then I think one of the things that I was most surprised by is the view. The 22nd floor has an amazing view, and one of the things that I love is you'll see like a lot of grass rooftops and lots of rooftop activity or options. I'm not sure what is right down there. I'll have to Google Maps it. I think it's another hotel, but still pretty cool view of downtown Nashville from the 22nd floor of the hotel, the Renaissance.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And until next time, remember, life is a journey best savored and explored.